Welcome to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Today, we begin a three-part walking tour through the soul of this eternal city. Our journey starts here, in the Piazza del Duomo, the spiritual heart of Florence for over 7 centuries. Dominating the square is the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture adorned with polychrome marble. Commissioned in 1296, it was designed to be the largest church in the world, reflecting the immense wealth and power of Florence. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. But the true wonder is what sits atop. Brunelleschi's dome. For decades, the cathedral remained headless. No one knew how to span the 150-foot gap without traditional wooden scaffolding. The task seemed impossible. Until Filippo Brunelleschi, a goldsmith with no formal training, proposed a revolutionary self-supporting double-shell structure. He invented new hoists and used a herringbone brick pattern to distribute weight, completing this engineering miracle in 1436. Directly opposite the cathedral stands the octagonal baptistery, the oldest building in the square, dating back to the 11th century. Its most famous feature is the Gates of Paradise by Lorenzo Ghiberti, featuring 10 panels of breathtaking biblical scenes. Michelangelo himself said these doors were beautiful enough to be the entrance to heaven. They changed the course of art history. Rising alongside the cathedral is Giotto's bell tower, a slender masterpiece of white, green, and red marble. Begun by the painter Giotto in 1334, it stands nearly 85 meters tall, offering one of the best views over the city. To truly understand these monuments, one must step inside the Museo dell'Opera del Duomo. Here, the original masterpieces are preserved, including a stunning full-scale reconstruction of the cathedral's first facade. The museum houses revolutionary works by Donatello, whose raw, emotional sculptures broke centuries of tradition. And the Bandini Pietà, a work carved by Michelangelo for his own tomb, showing the depth of his late-life spirituality. This sacred axis of Florence represents the city's transition from the Middle Ages into the light of the Renaissance. As the golden light fades over the piazza, you can feel the weight of history in every stone. This is where humanity rediscovered its potential, challenging the limits of engineering and the beauty of art. Walking these streets today, the legacy of the Florentine masters remains as vibrant as ever. But our journey through the jewel of the Renaissance has only just begun. There is so much more to see. In part 2, we'll dive into the political heart of Florence at the Piazza della Signoria and cross the iconic Ponte Vecchio. Join us for the next chapter of this Florentine adventure. See you in part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.